The timer is on, so now we're gonna wait for the ignition. The ignition should start first, and after the engine 1 minute later. Let's wait. The ignition is on, and 1 minute later the engine is gonna start. I like it in the morning when it's cold. You can just set up a timer, the car is gonna start, and the heater is gonna heat up the car. When you're gonna open the door, the car is already gonna be hot inside. The engine should start soon. And the engine is on. The heater is blowing. Don't forget to turn it to hot air, so when you're gonna start driving, it's already gonna be hot. That's it.